Hello guys, in this lecture we are going to create an OKR dashboard. Our objective is to actually create something that we can use, something that is customizable, because an OKR dashboard or any dashboard must be customizable. There are some things that you personally feel that they are most important and you want to have a specific focus on them. These are different from everybody else. So customizable should be an option, and it has to be personalized, which means the same dashboard which you see might not be the important one for somebody else, even within a team, depending on the role, depending on the responsibilities. So it has to be personalized, it has to be customizable. And then number 3, it has to be organized. It has to have a specific criteria by on which the details and the data and everything within the OKR has to be organized. And finally, it has to be intuitive. When someone visits a dashboard, it should be intuitive. It shouldn't be something someone has to explain for them. The moment they visit it, they must understand it with reasonable amount of education of OKR and the kind of understanding they have on the kind of objectives they're working on. It has to be simply understandable, which means intuitive. So let's go ahead and create something we want for ourselves. Number 1, I'm going to give this a title which will be OKR, and then let's enter into the first stage. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to give heading 2, and this will be the ultimate goal. And then H3 will be strategy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this a toggle. Understand this. Your ultimate goal might be anything. This is what we are trying to pursue. A higher order meaning and valuable pursuit. How we are going to achieve that? That will be within the strategy. All right. Here we're going to, the number 1 thing is to brainstorm. Use a paper and pen, or an iPad and a pen, whatever it is convenient for you to brainstorm, sketch out everything and come to terms with how you're going to achieve it, and later on bring it onto here so that everybody will be able to visit it. Strategy has to be something that is something that has to be within grasp for everybody, for all the stakeholders of a team, of an organization, so that everybody can give their viewpoint, everybody can give their own opinion and make it more clearer. The strategy, you can put it down here. So simply, strategy is nothing but step-by-step actions that will make sure that you obtain your ultimate goal, right? So let's do that. And your objectives are which is going to be obtained from the strategy, right? So let's simply create an objectives table. And this will be objectives. And every objective will have some key results. And not to forget, one important thing is we need to specify our KPIs. And then finally arranging all of them as quarters. So these are the things which we greatly need. And finally, initiatives. Yes, all the everything existing here right now. Let's see what we're going to do with them. So objectives, key results, quarters, and initiatives, and KPIs. All of them are very, very important. All of them are dependent. So let's see how we're going to pursue them. In the next lecture, we're going to start creating dependencies between each other, and then we're going to proceed further. Thank you very much, guys.